Hello guys, merhaba. I'm Can from Turkish and today we're going to learn how to pronounce the most popular Turkish foods together. As you might know, I'm Turkish. I was born in a city called Kastamonu, and to be honest, I love my food. I'm a big foodie. That's why I also used to organize Turkish street food tours for tourists in Istanbul. So I was taking my guests to the best restaurants in Istanbul. I was telling the story of the food. They were eating the food. They were enjoying. So they were really good times. I had many good memories. But the thing was that many of my guests have failed pronouncing the names of the foods. So I thought it might be a good idea to make a video about how to pronounce these Turkish foods. I hope you will find it useful. So let's get started. So we are going to start with the king of Turkish cuisine, which is baklava. Baklava. Baklava. It's very sweet. I can eat maximum 3 pieces. It was amazing, so delicious. Baklava. And the second food is döner. Döner. Did you know that döner means rotating in Turkish? So it actually comes from the verb dönmek, which means to turn or to rotate. It's not döner, it's döner, döner. We have tavuk döner, chicken döner, or et döner, beef döner. I think it's the most popular Turkish food. And the third one, kebap. Kebab. Kebab. So guys, I want to make one thing clear here about kebab and döner. I know that in other countries, when you want to order döner, you say döner kebab, right? Like for example, can I get one döner kebab? At least it's what I've heard when I was abroad. But in Turkey, döner and kebab are different things. When you say, can I get döner kebab? You're actually ordering two things. But of course they will understand that you're a foreigner, you might not know how to order. When we want to eat döner, the one that's rotating, we only say döner. Okay? Can I get one döner? But kebab is different. Kebab is mincemeat with the tail fat inside. It's also delicious. It's on a skew and they grill it. And then they serve it on a plate, sometimes in a lavash. So if you want this, you're gonna say döner. But if you want this, you're gonna say kebab, okay? Kebab. We don't say döner kebab. Kokoreç. Kokoreç. Kokoreç. This is one of my favorites. It's made from lamb intestines. I know it might sound weird to you, but it's so good. You have to try it if you come to Turkey. Kokoreç. Kokoreç. Ayran. Ayran. So this drink is the mix of salt, yogurt, and water. It's so simple. It goes so well with kebab, döner, and other dishes. Lahmacun. Lahmacun. It's not lahmacun. It's just lahmacun. Lahmacun. Künefe. Künefe. Künefe. This dessert has cheese inside. Midye dolma. Midye dolma. Stuffed mussels. Midye dolma. Çiğ köfte. Çiğ köfte. Raw meatball. Çiğ köfte. It's called raw meatball, but it has no meat inside. Just Google çiğ köfte and you will see the ingredients. And the other popular Turkish sweet is of course lokum. Lokum. Lokum. Sütlaç. Sütlaç. Rice pudding. Sütlaç. Kumpir. Kumpir. Kumpir. So kumpir is basically a baked potato stuffed with many ingredients. So when you go to these kumpir places, you can find them in Ortaköy. You will see so many ingredients in their buffet and they ask you which ingredient you want. You can choose sausage, mayonnaise, pickles, so many other things. You should definitely try that if you come to Turkey. By the way guys, all of these foods that I'm telling you can be found in almost any city in Turkey. So you don't have to go to Istanbul or Ankara or Izmir to eat these things. You can find it everywhere. Simit. Simit. Simit. Simit is one of our favorite items in the breakfast. It goes very well with chai, tea, and peynir, cheese. But basically you can eat it anytime in the day. Doesn't matter if it is breakfast or if it is dinner. Börek. Börek. Börek. Börek is a type of pastry and you can find many different types of börek. For example, börek filled with mincemeat or börek filled with cheese, spinach. Even there are some new types of börek. They put Nutella in it, but to be honest, I don't like them. My favorite is su böreği. Su böreği, which literally means water börek. I'm not sure about the translation, but please try it if you come here. Menemen. Menemen. Menemen is mostly consumed in the breakfast, but you can basically eat anytime in the day. Sometimes I'm just too lazy to prepare breakfast. That's why I just make a menemen. İskender. İskender. İskender. So this is basically same with lamb döner. Sometimes they also use beef meat, but what they do is they put pita bread in the bottom, and then they put the meat, and then they put tomato sauce on top of it. That's it. It's so delicious also. Çorba. Çorba. Çorba. We have one çorba that's amazing. That's my favorite. Its name is Beyran. Beyran. So healthy. If you have a fever or if you have a cold, you have to drink it to get better. So it has lamb meat. I think it's from the neck part of the lamb. They put some garlic in it. It has also rice in it. It's so good. Please try it. Beyran. Pilav. Pilav. Pilav. So one thing that I noticed is people get confused with pirinç and pilav. Pirinç is what you make the pilav with. This is pirinç. But pilav is the dish. Pilav is what you eat. I know in English rice means the both, but in Turkish pilav is the name of the dish and rice is this, okay? I know some of my foreign friends in Turkey, they go to the restaurant and they want to order pilav and they think that, okay, rice in Turkish is pirinç. So they call the waiter and they say, bir pirinç alabilir miyim? Which means, can I get a rice? So they should say, bir pilav alabilir miyim? Bir pilav. Balık ekmek. Balık ekmek. Fish bread or fish sandwich. So I know that this is so popular among the tourists coming to Istanbul, but I really don't know why, because I don't like the taste. For me, it's not delicious. It's dry. It's just bread with some vegetables and a tasteless fish. So you're basically eating more bread than fish. And for me, it's overpriced. That's why, I don't eat it, but it's still so popular. People are going to Eminönü just to try this fish sandwich on the boat, on the Ottoman types of boats. But believe me, it's not worth it. If you want to eat something with fish, you can try fish wrap, balık dürüm, which is relatively new, but it's a lot tastier than fish sandwich. Try fish wrap, balık dürüm, balık dürüm. Islak Hamburger. Islak Hamburger. So the hamburger in Turkish is basically the same. In English you say hamburger, and in Turkish hamburger. Hamburger. Dolma. Dolma. My grandma makes really good dolma and I love the taste of it. And the next one is Yaprak Sarma. Yaprak Sarma. So basically it's wine leaves stuffed with rice. Yaprak Sarma. Mantı. Mantı. Mantı. I hope you learned the pronunciation of these Turkish foods, so when you come to Turkey, you'll sound like a Turkish ordering food. So guys, please tell me what's your favorite Turkish food? I would love to know. Let me know in the comments, okay? You can also follow me on Instagram, Turkishle. I would love to see you there. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I hope to see you in the next one. Görüşürüz. Bye bye.